Hey, what's up, Zilliqa holder? So first of all, I want to say you, please tell me, and if Zilliqa is moving up in upcoming days, then you like this video, okay? But if you say to Zilliqa is cannot moving up in upcoming days, then please tell me in a comment box to why Zilliqa is not moving up. But I think Zilliqa is moving up. So this prediction is very important. Let's start the live price prediction of Zilliqa coin. But I request you, if you are new on our channel and most welcome, please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for latest new. I research personally very highly and Google, on Twitter, especially Twitter. I research personally very about Zilliqa. To Zilliqa is moving up in upcoming days or going down. So I cannot show you the Twitter about Zilliqa, but Zilliqa target as half US dollar. What you say, they can hit to half US dollar, and this month I think they can easily hit it. But if they take 100% chart, and they can go up like a rocket. And this type you can see here in last previous days Zilliqa gone very fastly down, but my friend, they moving up like a rocket. They are starting jumping. They are only starting jumping, but I hope in upcoming days they also going up. My expectation is very good from Zilliqa, because Zilliqa is non-stop cryptocurrency. They're going up like a rocket in upcoming days. Let's see the last 1 hour chart to what's going on in the last chart or last 1 hour chart. Then we decide to this is holding time, this is selling time, or this is buying time. My friend, if you can see here the last 1 hour chart, absolutely and positive 1.59% they go up, and the price also going into 2.40343 US dollar. Oh my goodness, if they're moving like this, absolutely they can go up in upcoming days, and they give you very good profit, my friend. They make you millionaire. So absolutely don't waste your time. Please invest. I think this is good time to you invest it, and this is not a financial advice video. Please research personally. I research for me, for everyone who are new and crypto market, because new holders cannot understand if this cryptocurrency is good for investment or not. So I think Zilliqa is good for investment, and they give you a good profit at the end of this month. So my friends, please invest and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they're going up like a rocket, and they give you a very good profit at the end of this month. So thanks for watching. Please, if you agree with me to Zilliqa is going up, your prediction is same with me to they going up, then please like this video. But if you are not agreeing with me, then please tell me in a comment box to why, what's your research personally to you say this they go not up in a couple days. Please, thanks for watching. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news and updates. Allah Hafiz, take care.